caught nothing. I lost my stapler and no fish. Time to go in. School is exhausting. I lost my stapler. Time to go watch some TV. Time to watch some TV.
Coming soon.
Oof, not that one. Ooh, yummy. Hey, tell me there's a knock at the door. Who's there? I'm gonna take you up.
My name is Grantavius Von Broken. I'm from the government, here to talk about stapler.
I'll do anything to get my stapler back. I'll tell you anything.
Why could I get that stapler? It's so stupid. Wait. I think I might have an idea. I have an idea. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that freaking stapler back. How I'm gonna do it? I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it today. And as a wise man once said, if you ain't first, you're last. I was so ashamed that I did not get my wish. I cut my freaking hair off. I will get my hair back. And I will get the stapler back. So before I go on this adventure, I must first scout the area.
Yo, this is like the government browski, so we need you to find that flippin' stapler so we can wipe out Canada for kicks and giggles. Hurry up and get it, bucko. We must make sure the Canadians will never win the Stanley Cup in hockey cause America is better, ha ha ha.
I know what to do. I'm gonna go play football. I gotta find that stapler. First I'm gonna go play.
I feel bad about giving this stapler to the government. They're just gonna wipe out Canada. Oh man. Oh man.
What if that stapler's in here? Spray paint. Oh, I can use that for I wonder if, since I got past security, if I can find that stapler in here.
Get out!
Has anybody seen that freaking stapler?
How not to get hurt 101. Calvin, get out!
Shut up, teacher! Where's that stapler? Not Matt. Not Matt, what are you doing? Where is it? What's that I see?
They had a little.
There's two of them.
They were telling me exactly.
Which one is it? Let's go small but mighty.
Teacher, what's going on? Dory, I don't even know. Just go to AA.
It's a stapler. Now I'm gonna go use it to beat up a Waffle House employee.
There it is, the stapler. Not with this, I wish away Canada.
You know, Esther, I am so glad I quit that crusty old job with the crusty old principal and quit being a secretary and moved to Canada because, like, this is so much better, right?
For real, homie.
Oh my gosh. Wait, why is the ground shaking? Do you feel that?
Well, hey girl. Whoa, it's starting to feel like an earthquake. Oh my gosh, feels like an earthquake. I'm so glad the flight agency fired me. I was getting so tired of those losers. Finally free. Is the ground shaking?
It's an earthquake!
I think he's taking revenge on me. The stapler has killed me.
I finally got this stapler from a Waffle House. Let's make a wish.
The buzzers are.
I wish for Diddy to be freed.
Are you trying? There doesn't seem to be any results. I'm sure it was just a one-time thing.
Hi, welcome to Waffle House. What would you like to eat today, sir?
What do you mean what I want? I want a waffle. This is Waffle House. Go get your manager. You suck.
I need to get my manager.
Hurry up, slave. Bring me my food.
Oh.
Maybe with the stapler I can finally quit Foot Finder.
Manager, we need help in the diner.
What do you mean there's a problem in the diner? Alright, I guess I'll go check it out. What seems to be the problem, sir?
You want to know what the real problem is with this nation?
What do you mean? What about the problem with the restaurant? What can we do to fix that?
Oh, terrible service, no food, nobody here is attractive.
What do you expect from people that have minimum wage? So, are we gonna be fine or are you gonna get out?
Make me.
Alright, you better get out or I will throw you out. Do you understand me?
Expect a car bomb later.
Work was awful. The only way I can cope with this is by playing the pinnacle of modern household gaming, Mahjong Master. Oh, heck yes. What a sweat. That's enough. I wonder what's on the news.
Breaking news, our rivals Canada just got hit by a level 6 earthquake. What do you have to say about this?
People are pretty shaken up.
Yeah, I agree. Well, back to you, Mr. President.
And now a word from our president.
My fellow Americans, unfortunately the Canadians have experienced a devastating earthquake. Sucks to be not Americans right now, doesn't it?
Why does this keep happening?